Hey everyone! Today we're going to build a simple yet awesome LED roof light for your car. This DIY project will upgrade your car's interior lighting, making it look modern and stylish. First, let's go over what we need. You'll need some white or colored LEDs, resistors that match your car's voltage, a small PCB or insulated wires, a switch if you want manual control, and some basic tools like a soldering iron, wire cutter, and glue. Now let's start. First, plan your LED arrangement. If you're using a PCB, solder the LEDs in the desired pattern, making sure to connect the positive and negative terminals correctly. If you're using wires, carefully connect each LED with the right resistor in series to prevent them from burning out. Next, attach the circuit to the car's roof light wiring. You can either replace the existing bulb or wire it in parallel so that it turns on with the door switch. Make sure to test the connection before sealing everything in place. Once it's working perfectly, secure the LEDs with glue or double-sided tape and reassemble the roof light cover. Now you have a custom-made LED roof light that looks way better than the stock one. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more cool DIY projects. See you in the next one.